Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. Now we are going to discuss about the project hand gesture recognition for characters understanding using convex hull landmarks and geometric features. Now we are going to discuss about the abstract of the process. In this process, image-based hand gesture recognition is used to identify the various kinds of gestures and activities. Compared with the other action recognitions, here the hand gesture involves the more benefits based on the numerous applications and no need for the voice communication as well. This nature requires a different approach from action recognitions to capturing the complex spatial features based on the local binary pattern algorithm. Hence, in this process, this algorithm is going to be implemented to extract the features from the hand gestures. Many gesture categories such as the 1, 2, 3, 4, so that is based on the numerical, so that is, and another kind is the alphabets, so we have an similar motions as well as the temporal patterns, posing a challenging on the temporal processing. So we have to overcome this similar motions to address these challenges. This process is proposed to recognize the different kind of gestures corresponding to the English alphabets as well as the numeric in the dynamic video sequences or else in the image sequences. Now we are going to discuss about the flow diagram of the process. This is the overall flow diagram of this project. This project consists the following steps like input image, pre-processing, segmentation, feature extraction, classification and performance estimation. These are the 6 modules present in this project. At first, the input image is taken from the dataset. The dataset consists of lot of images which is having the different kind of activities. So we have to import any one image from the dataset. After the selection of the dataset, we just move to the second stage of the project, that is the pre-processing. So in this pre-processing, we have majorly considered as an image resize. The reason for image resize in the sense, in case of image having the high dimension, it will take too much of time to the execution. In case of the images having the low resolution, in the sense the quality of the image is degraded. So that's why we have to maintain the aspect ratios. That is the reason we are going to implement the image resize here. And one more thing is the channel separation. Basically the RGB image having the 3 band like red, green and blue, so we have to separate the channels like red, green and blue separately. After doing these things, the segmentation will be carried out. In this segmentation, the hand region will be tracked automatically. In case of hand is present in this image, it will be extracted, that is belongs to the ROI, that is the region of interest. So after extracting the hand region, automatically the background region will be eliminated during the segmentation portion. After doing the segmentation, the feature extraction will be carried out. In this feature extraction, we are going to implement the 2 kinds of feature extractions will be there. One is the deep learning based convolutional neural network, then the machine learning based local binary pattern. So these are the 2 algorithms in this feature extraction modules to extract the feature from the image. After doing the feature extraction, we just doing the classification by means of the machine learning algorithm. So in this machine learning algorithm, it will classify whether the activity 1 or 2, 3, so whatever it is, it should be classified. Then the performance will be evaluated based on the accuracy, error rate, sensitivity and specificity. Based on the accuracy, we can able to predict the performance of the classification. Now we are going to discuss about the running procedure of the process. At first, open the spider 3.7 and then change the current directory like this. So if you want to execute the process, just open the main file.py. So it is consist of the coding everything. So we have to directly click this run button. After clicking the run button, it will take some time to execute. Then the dataset will be open. So in that dataset, we have to select the image from the dataset. After the selection of the image from the dataset, the process will be done automatically one by one in the console window. Now we can see the results one by one. So this is the input image which we have selected from the dataset. Already we have discussed in the flow diagram, dataset consists of a lot of images which is having the different kind of activities. So the user can select any one image from the dataset. After the selection of the image from the dataset, the channel separation will be carried out along with the image resize. You can see the difference between the first image and the second image. So the image will be resized into one particular size of 224 cross 224. So we have to resize the image. After doing the resize, the channel separation will be carried out like red channel, green channel and blue channel separately. So after separating the red, green and blue channel separately, we have to convert the image into one grayscale format. So this is the grayscale image. After doing this one, the hand region will be segregated, that is the region of interest will be extracted based on the thresholding and morphological. So this is the result of our hand segmentation. Only the hand portion will be segmented and then the other background will be eliminated. So after doing this one, the convolutional neural network is applied. Before that, the feature is splitted into one train and test feature separately. So 80% of data will be the train, and so the testing will be the 20%. After that, the convolutional neural network is applied to extract the feature, as well as the local binary pattern is used to extract the features. These are the results belongs to the feature extraction. After doing the feature extraction, those feature values are shown here. After doing the feature extraction, everything, we just move to the classification part. So in this classification part, it will be recognized as 1, so the corresponding activity is upward. After doing the classification, we just have to estimate the accuracy of the classification is around 98.9%. So the error rate is around 1%.